Hello friends, thanks for clicking. I Dr. Dinesh welcomes you all. So first of all, I would like to thank you all for your love and motivation. So there is a big challenge to all the researcher how to find out the quality and best indexed journal or best top ranked journal in their subject category or discipline. So how we will find out? So there is a big challenge to all the researchers. So in this video we will discuss or we will understand about how to choose or how to pick a quality index journal or quality top ranked journal. So let's move to the. So what are the quartiles? So in the selection of the journal or top ranked quality journal, we have to find out the quartile. So being a researcher, we have to familiar about the quartiles. So what is the quartile? So before going to proceed in this category, we should know about the what is the quartile. So what is the actually meaning of the quartile and how the Scopus index journal and essay index journal maintain the quartiles, and what are the actually meaning of the quartile. So answer is quartile nothing but that is a kind of top ranked journal. So different, there are the so many different quartiles. So accordingly we have to find out easily which one is the top ranked journal and which one is the low ranked journal. So low rank and top rank nothing but it is the kind of impact factor and rank journal ranking. So just say by seeing the quartile we can easily find out the which one is the top ranked and quality journal. So it is available in the all the categories Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. So these are the quartiles. So it is denoted by Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3 and quartile 4. So you will find out the each and every categories quartile 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the kind of picture. If you explore the journal Scopus index journal and essay index journal in detail, so you will find out the like this type of the metric or statistics. So like this particular types of the journal title or disciplines available here, and these are the first different types of the color available. So we always miss kind of these things. Or so what is quartile? So quartile one nothing but that is a kind of top 25 journal in your category. Suppose if you are I am belong to computer science journal. So in the computer science journal category, what are the or how many top ranked journals? So top 25% journal in that particular category that will comes under the category of the quartile one. Now next category is the quartile 2. After the top 25%, next 25 to 50% general in that category or each in each categories that will comes the journal in the quartile 2. Next quartile 3. So this is the again after the quartile 2, this is the category or ranking or range 50 to 75% journal covers by the quartile 3. And the quartile 4 nothing but that is the kind of ranking of the journal. Those journal comes under the category of the 72 to 100% journals in that category after the third quartile. So that comes under the category of the quartile 4. So these are the four types of the quartile. Quartile 1 means top 25 journal in your subject, and after that top 25 to 50% group of journal in that category in your subject category. And quartile 3 nothing but that is a kind of after 25 and after 50. So this is the next 25% journal or comes under the category of the quartile 3 and quartile 4. So these are the different type of the quartiles that is mentioned, and I prefer the kind of color same as it is called color that you will be seeing in the journal category or journal matrix about the quartile 1, 2, 3 and 4, and how it will be decided by which one is the top 25%. So these are the kind of parameters or general rank and impact factor. So we always seek the top impact factor or best impact factor or good impact factor. So this is the actually meaning of the top 25%. So the journal which have the highest impact factor or highest citation score that comes under the category of the quartile 1 or top ranked. So this is the high and this is the low category. So quartile 1 is the top ranked journal, top 25 journal, and quartile 4 is the low ranked journal or low impact factor, low journal ranking, low citation score of that particular journal. So this is the very important thing that being a researcher we should know, or we should aware about the selection of the journal. So whenever we are going to publish our manuscript or a research paper in a particular journal, Scopus Index journal or Essay Index journal, we always seek the top quality journal, because we all are having the quality journal, quality research paper and on content. So that's why I should not choose the top ranked journal or top highest priority on that particular quarter 1 category of the journal. So these are the kind of the things. So now we will move to the desktop screen. So we will see the live practical, how we will explore and how we will see what are the quartile 1 and quartile 2, 3 and 4. So one more important thing about this kind of the category, who maintain this particular database. So there are the answer is the category is the SJR and JCR, Semego General Rank and General Critical Review. So this is the maintained by the, so SGR is the free and can access by everybody through the Scopus Index journal, and JCR is a paid tool and can access through the Web of Science. So you can easily understand SGR is maintained by the Scopus or Elsevier and JCR is maintained by the Web of Science. So now let's move to the computer screen. So we will see the quarter 1, 2, 3 and 4 how it will be look like. So this one is the, so first of all go to the Google. So just type SJR. So just put the query SJR. So you will find out the top link. So they just click on this particular SJR. So you will be redirected to the SJR. So this is the SJR Semego Journal Rank. So now how we will find out the journal ranking? So just click on the top, this is the journal ranking. So just click on this particular tab. So this will be open, this kind of the layout. So here you will find out the all subject area. So remain at age, and now we have to choose our category, our discipline. So suppose I am choosing here computer science. I want to computer science and miscellaneous. So as per your discipline or subject area, you can choose your subject or discipline. So I preferred here computer science, and then all the things are available. So you can choose accordingly and then finally apply. So after this particular surfing, so we will have the different types of the journals as per the different types of the ranking. Or so you will see here, this is the journal title. So this is the journal title, and you will see here this is the open log, nothing but that is a kind of open access journal, and this is the type of the journal. So this is the journal, and SGR means this is the rank of the journal of that particular journal. So this is the SGR. So now you will find here the Q1 means quartile 1, and now this one is the top 24 means H index is the 24, and different, there are the so many things after through 2 years 3 years citation data, all the things are available, all the description about this the particular journal, all the things are available. Now most important things about this site. So you will see here this is the H index is the top 24, and the SGR ranking is the 4.098 in the subject of which I have chosen. This one is the computer science and miscellaneous. So you can see here this is the starting from the top. So this is the highest level H index and SGR. So this is the top level general ranking. This is the SGR is the 4. Next one after this 3.6, and this is the 24, 23, 3 and 3. So these are the two types of the parameters are used to decide which one is the best journal or quality journal. So accordingly we can choose our journal as per our discipline or a subject area. So you can see here, this is the quartile 1, quartile 1, Q1, Q1. So always represented by the Q1, nothing but. So this is the mnemonics of the quartile Q1, Q2, Q2. So these are the 25 journal. Now we can move. So you can see here, this is the 393 journal available here. So just click on the next. So we will find out here next journal. So you can see here, this all the journal are displayed. Now you can see here, from this you will find out the Q2. So at H per this particular research area, so you can see here, this is the H index is the 14, and this is the general Semego rank is the 0.492. So this is the different types of the things. So you can see here, this is the general rank Q2. Now you can find out the next, we will go move to the next one. So as per this particular criteria, we can find out the Q2, Q3 like this pattern. So just click on the next. So we will find out the Q1, Q2, Q3. So this is the Q2 series. Now we will find out the Q3. So as per our journal or manuscript quality content, so we can find out the which one is the best journal and which one is the best suitable journal to our public research paper or manuscript. So these are the Q1, Q2, Q3. So you always see like this type of the journal. So if you are having the own content and original content, so I recommend to all of you, and I also suggest to all of you, go for the Q1 quality, means quartile 1 category of the journal. So now just we will pick up any quartile journal. So how then we will see the matrix. So this is I picked the quartile 3 journal. So we can check here. So this is the H index is the 17, and this is the just scroll down. So you can find out the here the quartile. So this is all the things are mentioned here. Just click on the or just mouse. This is the Q4. So the journal citation or journal quality, journal starting, all the things are available here. You can see here, this is the ranking of the journal or impact factor of quartile 1, 2, 3 is the all the things are mentioned. So in 2009, this is the journal quartile is the Q4. Now in 2010, Q2. Now in 2012, this is the Q3, and in the present scenario you can see here, this is the Q3. So this is the journal title, and this is the Q1, Q2, Q3 as per the different years. So it always varies. So year by year it will be vary. So there is no fixed rule that if it will be 2000 Q1 in the 2018, so it will be remain as it is in the 2020 and 2021. So it will be changed as per the criteria or on the behalf of the indexing and citation. Now scroll down and we will see here so many statistics and things. So you can see here about this journal, total sites and self sites. So just go to this particular line. So you can find out this journal green line, total size in 2019 88. Now you can see here there are the so many things are available. Citable document in 2018, how many documents? 83, and out of 83 how many cited? 46. So this is the kind of metrics or statistics of this particular journal. So accordingly you can choose your best journal as per your subject area or discipline. Now we will move to the Q1 category journal. So we can find out the computer and education. This is the Q1 category journal. So you can find out the H index is the 164. This is the very large H index. So I recommend to all of you, always go to the top ranked journal, and here you will find out this type of the journal published in 3 category or 3 discipline. Means these 3 types of the discipline student can publish their research paper in this particular journal. So what types of the journal student or themes? First one is the e-learning, education, and also the computer. So these 3 types of the discipline student or researcher can publish their research paper in this top ranked or high ranked journal. Now you can find out here, this is the yellow symbol. So you can, this is the quartile 2, means this journal especially for the computer science, the category of this particular computer science related subject is the Q and comes under the category of the Q2. Now if we will talk about the education category, so this will comes under the category of the Q2. Now if we will go for the e-learning, so this comes under the category of the Q1. So this is the time of the 1999. So now in the present scenario we will see all the boxes are green, so this is the Q1 category. So in the present scenario computer science researchers can publish their researchers, so this comes under the category of the quartile 1, quartile 1, quartile 1. So this is how we can find out the which one is the best journal or which one is the top ranked journal in this in your subject category, in your discipline. So I hope you have to understand, and this is the very important thing, being a researcher, being a faculty member. If we are going to publish our original content to the Scopus Index journal and Essay Index journal, so I recommend to all of you always prefer to the and suggest to all of you go for the top ranked journal like the Q1 category journal. So friends, thank you for watching this video.